Good Tuesday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, level 1. We're looking out for some gusty winds and some rain showers today, so be careful if you're out and about. Premier Generators brings us our threat outlook and not looking for any severe weather from today through Saturday. Even though we are in a more active period, we're not looking for any ingredients for severe weather to come together. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us a 5-day forecast. Today, mostly cloudy, 70% chance for showers, wind gusts to 25 miles per hour. Thankfully, those are southerly winds, which means they're warmer winds, and that will not be the case by the time we get into Thursday and Friday. Highs in the low 60s today and upper 50s for our Wednesday. Continued windy. A chance of morning showers tomorrow, but I think we'll see some peaks of sun every now and then, especially as we get into the afternoon and evening. But again, those wind gusts 25 miles per hour. Now, temperatures will be falling later in the day on Wednesday. It looks like right now the cold front will pass through sometime in the afternoon, probably around 2, 3 o'clock-ish. Now, when that front crosses through, the winds are going to change direction, and they won't be 25 miles per hour gusting from the south. They'll be 25 miles per hour gusting from the north. And that is going to send temperatures down into the low 30s by Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday is looking very blustery. Wind gusts to 30 miles an hour out of the north. And for the most part, during the day on Thursday, I think we're looking all right. It's later in the day, especially as we get closer to sunset, that we start seeing a chance for a sprinkle or a snow flurry. With temperatures getting in the low 40s, those first droplets would be liquid, but as we get on into the evening and overnight hours, we would start seeing some of those raindrops turn into snowflakes. So I'm now back up to a 50% chance for a snow shower or snow flurry on Friday, especially in the morning hours. Not looking for any accumulation, but certainly kind of exciting to think of our first snowflakes of the season. Models have trended back and forth with it. They always do with these types of events. I just stay consistent, leave it in there. I think we're going to get flurries this week. I think we're going to see our first snowflakes before this week is over with, our first snowflakes of the season. Highs only around 40 on Friday, and I may have to come down on those into the upper 30s again. Dropping into the upper 20s by Friday night, and then Saturday looking pretty good. Mostly sunny with highs in the mid to upper 40s. Talk about perfect hiking weather. So take advantage of that if you can, but I'll keep an eye on that forecast, make sure it doesn't change. But right now, the weekend's looking pretty darn good. On this day, 1921, the Columbia Gorge ice storm finally came to an end. This occurred in Oregon. 54 inches of snow, sleet, and glaze blocked the Columbia River Highway at the tails. Apart from the traffic on the river itself, all transportation between Walla Walla, Washington, and Portland, Oregon came to a halt. 1988, strong thunderstorms developed during the mid-morning hours to produce severe weather across Texas and Mississippi Valley. Into the wee hours of the night, thunderstorms spawned 21 tornadoes, including 13 just down in Mississippi. So not forgetting that this is our secondary peak in severe weather season. We just haven't seen much around here this fall. M&M's Meteorology, columns and needles. We're continuing shapes of snowflakes. I've got one blown up there. What a weird shape. Columnar snow crystals appear when the temperature is around 20 degrees. So this is a much colder, drier snow. And they can be quite common. They're small and easy to miss. However, they look like small bits of white hair on your sleeve. Especially long, slender columns crystals are often called needle crystals. Hollow columns have conical hollow regions in both ends, as shown in the drawing and several of the examples. There were some examples in the thing that I had earlier, but anyway, that's a general look at what it looks like. So pretty neat stuff. I've got more shapes and weirdness about the snowflakes coming up for the rest of the week, so stay tuned for that. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday and keep looking up for more weather information. Meteorologistmark.com.